Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Friday night ride tonight. Really quickly, I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. We're nearly at 750 now, so 3/4 of the way there to 1,000, which is crazy for me. So I just wanted to say thank you again for that. We're just heading towards the meet now. I'm not sure what we're doing tonight. I sort of just show up to these things and just see where we're going. I don't really care, to be honest. I'm just coming out just because it's like a large group and it's cool to be around. But yeah, I've had this R7 for about a week or two now. Daily commuting on it as well. It's been pretty dope, pretty fun. There have been some points where my posture has been lacking a bit because I've been having like a heavy backpack as well and stuff, but besides that, like having a light backpack or no backpack at all, this bike is pretty good. So yeah, I just tested it back there, but I hope the highway wind noise isn't too bad. I know it is pretty windy tonight. It might rain a little bit later, but I hope the wind wasn't too bad for you guys, because I'm still testing that out. Alright, this is it. Let's see. Oh, it's a pretty small turnout. Wow. Yo, what's up? What's up?
Ooh.
What's up, bro?
Look at that. It's so good.
What's up?
How much do you love it?
Yeah, it's good, bro. It's really good.
Didn't he come in?
We're out on the ride now. We're heading out for something to eat with the boys, with the gang, on the highway. Oh my, hooligans right now. Man, that sounds good. Oh, dude, if he parks down here at this bike parking, yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, there's gonna be like no space for everyone.
Surely this is all of you.
There's more, but they're somewhere else.
Because that's all I know about doing anything. You guys want to call more.
Yo, what a turnout. So we rock up to get dinner and the security comes over and tells us to park in the valet because they won't fit us all in the... I'm gonna keep going around. I might have to... But he tells us to come park in the valet so that we can... because there's too many bikes to fit in the bike parking area. How dope is that? Let's go. Yo, premium. We got dinner, well the rest of them did. We're heading out now. It's raining for a bit, so the road's probably going to be a bit wet. But we're going to see what's happening.
Hurry the fuck up! Let's go!
It's raining big time. Do you just want to go underneath? I'm going back to the valet. Alright guys, if you couldn't already tell, the night got cancelled pretty much. We took too long because it's meant to be more of like a social event and stuff, and while they were having dinner, most of them, you know, it started raining more and someone else's bike, I think their battery went flat, but is what it is. It's all good. So not too much happening tonight, unfortunately, but I hope you guys still enjoyed this Friday night ride back. I don't know how I'm gonna set this video out or what I'm gonna do with it, because you know, it isn't like the best introduction back to the Friday night ride, so I do apologize, but hopefully next week weather will be good again and we'll be back to it. But yeah, I'm at 600 Ks now, so nearly at 1,000, and then I'll be able to service it and, you know, start actually using the bike a bit more and seeing its potential. So yeah, I'm just on the way home now with another friend. He's got an MT-07, so yeah. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.